Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're beginning the restore now. Make sure the iPhone is charged or plugged in and on reliable Wi-Fi. Sign into the same Apple ID used for the iCloud backup so the device can access that snapshot. If the phone still has data, you must erase it first via Settings right arrow General right arrow Reset right arrow Erase all content and settings. This unlocks the iPhone setup flow where the iCloud Restore option appears. Once the device restarts, proceed immediately to the setup screens. During the setup sequence, select Restore from iCloud Backup and enter your Apple ID credentials. You'll see a list of backups. Choose the one matching the date and device size. This ensures you restore the intended snapshot. Make sure Wi-Fi remains connected and watch for any messages about insufficient iCloud or device storage. Once the core data and settings restore, the phone will begin downloading apps, photos, and media in the background, so keep the device awake until initial setup finishes. Finish by signing into individual apps when prompted and allow time for app and media downloads to complete. Performance may be slow until everything syncs. If the restore fails or stalls, first reboot the iPhone, confirm Apple system status and Wi-Fi, then retry the restore selecting the same backup. This often resolves transient errors. If problems persist, update iOS, free device storage, or contact Apple support for deeper account or backup recovery help. They can investigate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.